Well guys, this is our first stop. We gonna deflate our parkraft right now. We traveled not so much, but it is what it is. We have to inflate and deflate the parkraft a few times. So, do you like it, Ira? I'm a little afraid because of these dark blue skies, and I hope will be no rain. Now we take some rest. It's really hot. As I said, it's around 30 degrees Celsius. And now we want to pass through these rocks and inflate parkraft again. And I want to fish in this second lake. And we will set up our camp there if we will find a good place. So let's go. And I think sometimes we hear the thunder. Last season, when we purchased the parkraft, we started to use this little pump to inflate and to deflate parkraft, and it turned out that it's really useful. I can hear really heavy thunder behind us. We hope that there will be no rain, but who knows. Well guys, the weather is getting worse. We can hear the thunder almost every 3 minutes, and we just want that the rain will happen, but it's always around us, but nothing happens. And this feeling is I don't know, it's quite nervous, I must say. It's something like should happen but not happens. We can see these clouds with the thunder but no rain. Now we'll have something to eat and we will continue our journey. Let's go. So much berries here, and they're so huge. We are just sitting in a boat and doing nothing, just watching rocks and listening to the dragonflies and to the seagull, which was very mad that we tried to capture her stone in the middle of the lake. but it's just gorgeous. The view is just beautiful. We decided to take some stone energy. It's really warm and it feels really great. And it's so powerful and ancient. Well guys, we found a really good spot. It's old fisherman's place, I believe, and it's old fisherman's fireplace. There is also a nice table here, and I just tied to the tree our packraft, so if there will be a strong wind, it will be staying in the place. I want to fish a little bit and swim because we sweat a lot. It's really cozy here and it's really nice weather after the thunder that we thought it will be, but there wasn't any drop of rain, so the weather is just beautiful. Here's our gravity filter. It works like this. Here's our dirty water, and here's our Sawyer Mini, which filters, and then it's aqua or water level from the construction store. I don't know how it's called correctly, but it goes all the way down to our bottle, and here's our clean water. Our sleeping place for tonight is just a mesh and our sleeping pads.
Good.
Hop. Second fish. So guys, here's our lunch. It's easy to make. It's noodles and tuna. I decided to pitch a tent because I'm afraid that will be rain in the night. And here's our view. It's just beautiful.
Пунцата добавь.
Видишь? Good morning, guys. It's cloudy now. It was raining 3 times at night, but now I believe that sun will get rid of these clouds. So, good morning again. Morning coffee. Well, guys, today's plan is to continue exploring this lake because there are a lot of good spots to stay and there are rocks and everything that we love. But we want to make a little hike with a packraft, with a backpack to another lake and see if this another lake will be good enough to stay. We will stay there. If no, we will return here because, as I said, there are a lot of good great spots to stay. So we will decide later, and now we pack everything and go. We have a really quite a huge scratch. Ira, please show. As you can see, there is a quite a scratch here. So if I have repairs, I have some repairs with me, but I don't know if I can patch it. If not, this one part, this packraft consists of 2 parts. The first part is okay and the second is not very good. So if everything will go very bad, we will need to go through the forest. It's not so far. So guys, I have applied some glue to our hole, to our scratch. So, but I don't have any illusions that it will work. I think that the scratch is quite long, and I applied the glue on the scratch, and this is a special glue for the boats, but I believe it takes around 24 hours to repair the patch, and we don't have so much time. So we'll see. Not everything goes as planned. Such is life. For now, it seems that this air balloon holds the air. Almost 5 minutes after we inflated it, but we have to check it under the load on the water. So we'll see. Maybe our first plan will work. Well guys, I think it's good news. We are still on the water. I have tested Packraft without any load, only with myself. It was okay. Then we jumped together with all our stuff. I pitched everything, or what's the correct word? I tied everything with the ropes. I'm a bit nervous about my big camera. It attached to the back of the Packraft, and I believe nothing will happen. We have a plan. If our Packraft will be sinking, Ira will be sinking first, and I will try to escape on the last balloon, on the second balloon, air balloon. I think it's our lucky day. Well, we're still on the water, that's cool. We need to pack everything and we will go to another lake and we'll see what's going on there. Let's do it. It's like a mystery source. It's really clean water here, and this stream goes down to the lake that we want to visit. Let's follow the water. Well guys, it's another lake, forest lake. We don't know whether we will use Packraft here. Maybe we'll just walk around it. We'll see. And now we are going to inflate our Packraft again. So refreshing after you go into the water. It's so beautiful evening, the sun is shining, the weather is great. We don't know where we're gonna set up our tarp and our mesh. Tasty? We would like to swim some places that we didn't swim then when we were here yesterday. I took a fishing rod with me. Maybe I'll catch something. There is no wind and the water is like a mirror. You can see the skies, the reflection of skies. It's really, really beautiful.
Уже там. Ой. Угу.
Well guys, good night. See you in the morning. Good morning. Morning coffee, guys. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We've been in very interesting places. Not everything went as planned. We really enjoyed it and I hope you liked this video too. See you in next videos. Bye bye.